I did a lot of research, went to see a lot of builders, went across a lot of designs, and I think what swung it in Carlisle's favour, number one was obviously the design, but also at the display homes, and I think the service that I received on the first visit was really basically what swung it for me, Carlisle's way. Clifford's my name, and I built the Macan 23 from the Easy Living range. Key part was having a theatre room, and this design actually has that, and it actually gives me a nice big entertainment area with the theatre room, the lounge area, etc. together. First reactions from everyone who's been here was they've absolutely loved it. One thing that they always comment on is as to how nice, bright, light and airy it feels, and also the quality of construction. Because I've had cousins who've built with different builders, I've had mates who've built with different builders, and the one thing they always comment on is the quality of the finishes. Carlisle did make it really simple, easy. I think the best part for me was the regular communication. Both my customer liaison, every time I had a query, she would come back within the day basically. Most times it was the same day. To get that level of response back was really, really appreciative. It's been a really good, smooth build for me. The post service has been great, and especially during the build as well, my experience has been absolutely brilliant. It's something brand new. And now it was a part of actually now making it a home from a house.